Good day, students. You're welcome back to my class. In this lesson, I'll be teaching you nutrition. We're going to look at the meaning of nutrition, the modes of nutrition, and the various types of nutrition. What is nutrition? Nutrition is a process by which living organisms obtain and utilize materials from external environment for metabolic activities such as respiration, growth, excretion, and reproduction. Simply put, nutrition is the process of obtaining nutrients. Basically, there are two modes of nutrition. We have the autotrophic mode of nutrition and the heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Autotrophic mode of nutrition is carried out by green plants through a process called photosynthesis and some certain bacteria through chemosynthetic process. Heterotrophic form of nutrition is type of nutrition carried out by organisms that are not able to manufacture their own food from simple inorganic substances. We have various types of autotrophic nutrition, which is the photosynthesis and the chemosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process whereby green plants manufacture their own food in the presence of carbon dioxide, water, sunlight energy, and chlorophyll. While chemosynthesis, in the other hand, is the process whereby certain bacteria manufacture their own food from simple inorganic substances such as carbon dioxide, water, and hydrogen sulfide using the energy released during chemical reaction. We have different types of heterotrophic nutrition, and the first is holozoic nutrition. This type of nutrition is carried out by nearly all animals. It is a type of nutrition in which food is obtained as a solid organic material, eaten, digested, and absorbed into the body. Another example of heterotrophic nutrition is the saprophytic nutrition. This is a type of nutrition in which non-green plants feed on dead and decaying organic matters. Organisms which feed saprophytically are known as saprophytes. Most fungi, such as mucus, mushroom, and yeast, are examples of saprophytic feeders. Another example of heterotrophic nutrition is the symbiotic nutrition. This is a type of nutrition in which two organisms of different species live together to take advantage of each other. That is, in the association, these two organisms benefit from each other. An example is the relationship between an algae and fungi that bring about another organism known as the lichen. The algae is a photosynthetic organism capable of manufacturing its own food. The fungi, on the other hand, cannot manufacture its own food depending on the algae, but provide moisture, mineral salts, and support for the algae, which the algae uses to manufacture food by photosynthesis. The last example of heterotrophic form of nutrition is the parasitic nutrition. This is a type of nutrition in which one organism obtains food from another organism, and during the feeding process, one organism is harmed and does not benefit. A good example of this is the relationship between the tapeworm and man. Tapeworm is a parasite to man. It feeds and lives inside the body of man and causes diseases to man, which can eventually lead to the death of the organism. Some parasite lives on the body of the host, and these types are known as the ectoparasite, while some live inside the host and they are known as the endoparasite. Example of ectoparasites are ticks, lice, etc. An example of endoparasite are the tapeworm, the roundworm, the hookworm, etc.